Welcome back to another Hippo and Albatross. Today we're installing the base for our new anchor windlass. In the last episode we constructed the base out of a 10mm steel plate with some nice construction for reinforcements. And in this episode it's time to cut a hole in the deck to see if everything fits as we imagine it. Ta-da!
Loch im Schiff.
Oh! The moment of truth. Did we cut the deck on the right position, or did we cut it in the wrong one?
Mal festziehen, ein bisschen. Da hinten das Seil ein bisschen anziehen. Der Draht.
Here we're trying to fine-tune the positioning of the anchor windlass so that we have enough space for the handle for the manual operation of the windlass to pass the roller of the sail and the wire of the handrail that's not completely tight yet. It's a tight fit. We can't go much more forward because then the hatch of the anchor locker is there. We can't go much aft because then the watertight bulkhead is there. We can't go much to port because then the sail is in the way. We can't go much to starboard because then the sea rail is in the way. So we're fine-tuning millimeters here basically to get the optimal position of the windlass. Alright, work for the day is done. Peter did a really great job. Kira and I assisted. Kira did some more stuff on the windows. Now I get to do one of the most satisfying jobs of a dirty job, that is cleaning. And now I'm going to show you how the winch situation looks like. This is where the winch will go. So this is a 10mm plate that has been set so that it is level and straight. So the deck here is rounded and this is strutting out a bit on top, but it needs to be a straight surface for the winch to go on. And there's going to be more reinforcements underneath to make this a really sturdy unit. And this is here where the chain will go to this roller there. And then we have another roller because we have a 2 anchor setup. We have another roller that will come over here where this white thing is. So not a winch but just a roll, so that the second anchor can be used with one winch. So the second one will then be rope and just a little bit of chain, and this one is the main anchor is going to be on a full chain setup. Pretty good.